Yes, exactly. That's what it is. A sequel. Now I'm doing the tutorials. So let's see. Let's wait. There we go, for it to compile. Oh, what? So the boss, to win the game you have to defeat the boss, summon the boss with a boss card. Okay. The boss card appears when you fill the boss bar. Fill it by using building cards. Move the camera. Construct buildings. Click the village card to place it on the map. To build it, you need to find the map resources shown in the card and place them inside its area. Then left click to build. Okay, so there we go. There. A hero has appeared. He'll automatically has appeared. Okay, I should specify where. Travel from building to building and battle with enemies that spawn from them. Okay. Okay, so there we go. We have an error. Effect graph. What? What in the what? Village. Punch. I don't have a punch card. Oh, punch attack. Well, I should rename it. Why is it called punch attack? What else is it going to be? Of course it's an attack. That's a little bit obvious. Thank you. Yes, yes, but it's improved. This time I'm just tweaking the tutorial system a little bit so that it's a little bit easier to create a tutorial. So we have the attack. Let's just rename it punch. Okay, so we have the punch. Let me tutorial building 1. Yeah, I need to change how it looks a little bit. That's good enough. Prefabs. Do we have the base arrow? So I have this arrow which should be bigger. 64. There we go. Can I preserve the aspect? Yes. Okay. What else? I have this thing, the other thing. Oh, I should specify in the village. A hero has appeared in the village. He will automatically travel from building to building and battle with enemies that spawn from them. Enemies that spawn from them. Okay. So there I have the punch card here. I have this tutorial window hero 2. Should set this as an erasable. Put it on the tutorials. Set this, simplify, perfect. Let's try again. Compiling. Okay. The boss. Oh, that's too small. Fill it by using cards, camera. Take the village cards. Okay. Rotate a building by pressing Ctrl and Alt. He will automatically travel from building to building and battle with enemies that spawn from them. There we go. Punch. Automatic, but you can decide his with cards. To do so, drag and drop items and abilities from your deck at the bottom to his inventory at the top. Okay. I should say that you can read, or what, that's obvious. Or not. Maybe I should guide the person to read the... Okay, so let's do equipment 1 or hero 3. Okay, hero 3. So now I'm going to explain the equipment, or should I say item cards, so or should I say equipped cards. These are cards that can be equipped, have a cooldown, an activation trigger, and effects. Mouse over each one of them to display and tooltip. Cards can be equipped with a cooldown, an activation trigger, and effects. To learn more, about any concept, mouse over each one of them to display a tooltip. Okay, maybe I can add the... No, too much work. So let's add the tutorial. Besides, I want the player to see the card itself. There. So you see the hero. Let's see, and let's modify the arrow. So let's do double 64. That's really big. Let's go. There. Okay. Rotate buildings. There. A hero has appeared in the village. He will automatically travel from building to building and battle with enemies that spawn from them. Hero equipment. Battles are automatic of behavior To do so, drag and drop items and abilities from your deck at the bottom to his inventory at the top. There, this one. Okay, punch. There. Okay. Oh, what happens? Hero 3? Really? Tutorial window? Hero 3? Oh, I forgot. Forgot to simplify. Wait, no. Ah. Simplify. There we have the Hero 3. Oh, I didn't check the arrow to see if it was big enough. Yeah, man. Okay, 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 okay. There. A hero. I forgot. I'm forgetting about everything. Okay. Okay, so what happened? No error, but I didn't see anything. Tutorial window in Hero 3. Oh, what's going on here? 000. Oh, this should be applied somewhere else. Let's call this, how should I call this? Let's do a cards 1. Let's change the name of this. Cards 1. There we go. Cards 1. So this is a new one. And it's called Cards 1. Cards 1. And let's create a new. Let's call it Cards. Cards. So this is on the deck. When a card is dropped on the deck, deck manager, I'm gonna check for here. So and there. On drag start listener. Okay, let's put it here. Down cards here. Cards. So when the first card is dropped, there, I'm gonna call this event. I'm gonna load this, and then I'm gonna call this one cards 2. Cards 2. There. So let's see. Equipping cards to hero. Items. There we go. Adding effects to item cards. Okay, item cards activation. Let's say activating cards. Or should I say just cards? Or should I say activable cards? Cards have triggers, have activation triggers and effects that are empty. Meaning that it cannot be, and that its effects cannot be activated. Just have activation triggers and effects that are empty. If it's empty, it cannot be activated. If it's empty, let's do, ouch, no, they can also have various effects. If it's empty, even if it can be activated, it will not have any effect. Okay, so that's enough for today. Then let's do a 3 and let's explain fusion cards. You can add effects or activation triggers to a card with a fusion card. Drag and drop it on top of an empty card to add its characteristics, to add its features to it. Okay, let's see, cards 1, there, tutorials, now simplify. Okay, let's see, when I do this, this is 3, so let's add player, add effect cards. There we go. So let's see. cars. Let's make it public. Add effect cars. Let's do this. As okay. So with this, I can do add an effect card. Let's do health. Drop. There. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, I had to correct something. Where was it? Buildings. Okay. Cars 1. Trigger. Hero 1. Battle enemies. Behavior. That is automatic, but you can behave with cards. You can prepare. Or you can prepare his behavior with cards. Or should it set his behavior at the bottom of his inventory at the top? Okay, let's see. Cards. So when the card is placed, okay, you load this one. You start with 1, 2, and 3. Let's see, 1. It have a cooldown, activation trigger, and effects. Learn about any concept. Mouse hover each one of them to display a tooltip. And let's make this shorter. To display tooltips. Display tooltips. Cards have activation triggers. If it's empty, it cannot. Okay, I already know it has activation triggers. Cards with empty activation trigger cannot be activated. They also have various effects. When the card has no effects, even if it's activated, it will have no any effects. let's see. If the effects are empty, even if it can be activated, it will not have any effect. Even when activated, it will have no effect. If the effects are empty, even when activated, it will have no effects. A little bit obvious, but I need to make sure people understand this. You can add effects or activation triggers to a card with a fusion card. You can add effects and more effects and other things to a card with a, let's do a fusion card. Drag and drop it on top of an empty card to add its features to it. Pretty clear. Okay, let's go. Okay, whoop. The boss. Oh, nice. That's like the wrong placement. Let me check a little bit closer, please. Okay, I want to just move it like this. Can it be? Nope. Okay, so minus 30. Yes, minus 30. Minus 30. So let's see. Minus 50. So let's check this out. Okay. All right. That makes sense. Maybe I should put it there, you know, at the top. Vector y 100. Let's do 0. Let's see. Oh, okay, let's move around that arrow. There. Okay, so this, what? Why is it? Oh, because that's the, wait a second, why? What? offset. What's this? So you put this target transform, local position, what? Target transform local position. Okay, so starting from this, you add something like this. Should be here. 2 to 5. How do I? How? So it's 160. Let's do this minus 160. What? So 220, let's do 0. What in the what? But it's 0. Why is it go? Why? Oh. Okay, let's check boss manager. Oh, that's the one. That's why. So I put this is the middle. I get it. So let's do like this. It's 270. Right, 270 plus 270 is like that. Now it's a little bit more. What's here? Plus 300. Let's say plus 350. Plus 360. Okay, 370. Okay, let's leave it 370. 370. I think that's it. Let's go. Great, but I think it's too small, you know. This movement is very light. Let's make it a little bit more exaggerated so that it's easier to notice. Let's do 5. Now let's do double. Double, double, double. Yeah, much better. Okay. Click the village card, place it on the map. To fill the rush, and the card, place them inside its area until it goes green. Okay. Okay. Error. From building to building, battle with enemies. Battles are automatic, but you can prepare his behavior with cards. To do so, drag and drop items and ability from your deck at the bottom to inventory at the top. Equipped cards. Cards that can be equipped have a cooldown, an activation trigger, and effects. To learn about any concept, mouse over each one of them to display tooltips. Cooldown. Activation. What? The event that applies the effects of these cards. What? 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 What's the problem? Why? Oh, let me see what's going on here. Oh, look at this. What? Maybe I should put it on the camera, you know? Camera. Let's do 22. Oh. Okay, 2, 3. Precise canvas, sorting. Okay, let's change that. Tooltips canvas, camera, this guy, 3. There we go. Okay, so I hold down. Okay, much better. Cool down. Should be on top. Activable cards. Cards and empty activation trigger cannot be activated. If the effects are empty, even when they are activated, it will have no effects. Fusion cards. You can add effects and other things to a card with a fusion card. Drag and drop it on top of a new. Okay. Okay, let's see. So tooltips should be on top. 4, 3. Oh, because it's on the UI windows. Let's add a new one called tooltips. UI tooltips. UI tooltips. No, sorry. This one should be UI tooltips. What else? Okay, so let's add a wood source to this loads. Okay, let's do this. Let's do a wait, this one. Wood swords like this, I guess. So in here, equip the new item. Equip the new item. Cards with an empty activation tree cannot be activated. If the effects are empty, even when they're activated with no effects. Let me check something first. So wood source, okay. So we have the wood source here on the second thing. Okay, there. Click the village. We're gonna prepare him with cards. So drag and drop. Okay, cool down. Does it look like... Oh, never mind. Cards can be equipped. Cards that can be equipped have a cooldown, an activation trigger, and effects. To learn about any concept, mouse over each one of them to display tooltips. Equip the new item. Okay. Oops. Shouldn't have done that. Okay, let's let's so let's create a new cards. So when I say equip the new item, right? I say equip the new item. What can I do? Maybe I can do like this. Cards 2, and I say that this is a new, I mean it has a start condition. So here I do like this. How do I start condition this thing? Set the condition something. Tutorial interaction tutorial. Let's check the tutorial condition. I mean tutorial start condition met. Okay. Tutorial start condition met. Let's do this. Let's do a tutorial start condition met. Let's leave that. Tutorial start condition. What? Oh, map interactions. I meant to say the tutorial manager. Script condition. Tutorial start condition met. Cards 2. So let's add this one. And let's add this one. These cards 2. There. So when this finishes, this can start. It has a starting condition. And when it gets equipped, this is added. Okay. Let's go. Cards 3, cards 2. Okay. There we go. Equipping the punch. Oh. Check that out. That's a mess. That's a big mess. So this has a event completed. Event completed delegate. So if the event was completed, event completed and closed. This is here. When it's destroyed. Okay, what's the problem then? When card 2 is destroyed, let's see. And this one, equip the new item. So when this is destroyed, you should advance to this one. Item card. With an empty and its effects are empty, even when activated it will have more effects. Okay. Let's do this. Event there. Start condition met. Oh, false. False, of course. Start condition met, false. Set start condition met. True. So now should work as intended. Okay. Equip the new item card. Comes with an activation trigger. Okay, so I should remove this. Okay. Okay, so that's the problem. So let's see. This should have triggers. It didn't. I'm surprised. Tutorial window cars too. So this didn't trigger. The delegate, newest event, newest event. Event completed. Newest event. Event completed. Delegate. What? That's a bit crazy. Why is it like this? It should be like this. Newest event. There. Now it should work. Oh, and let's work on making the sword, the scythe on its I think that was decided on the card prefab. Card prefab. Visit. Alright, so it was on the component container. So visit. So there are all items. Let's see here. No. Activation event. Oh, this. Let's do and. And tutorials manager script get tutorials activated. So if the tutorials are activated, add the activation event. There we go. Did I save everything? Yes. Okay. Equip the new item cards. Okay. What? This should be empty. Okay, at least this works. Self-health. Of course it doesn't work. And not there. So it works fine. Let's see. go, punch. Okay, equip the new item card. Cards with an empty activation trigger cannot be activated. If the effects are empty, even when activated, you will have no effects. What? Enter close combat. Come on. There. Okay, you can add effects and other things to a card with a fusion card. Drag and drop it on top of an empty card to add its features to it. Self-health. There we go. I should add like an animation so that you can see that. Let's do this. Add a simple fusion animation and fusion success. I'm gonna add that later. So what's the problem with this? If the deck is the player, right? If tutorials activated, tutorial activated should be true. Shouldn't enter here. Item cards. So let me check something. Card creator. What in the what? Enter close combat. So, how is that even possible? I'll set it to none. Of course. With this, I'm deciding if it should be set to none. Let's do this. If tutorial, if not tutorial, wait. Okay. Okay, maybe the first one should be without.
Vos sabés que estuve mirando si se podía cerrar la puerta del baño y no se puede. No, porque está muy abajo el coso.
So this gives, I mean, if the tutorial is activated, maybe I can change this 0. Maybe I can do this. If
Cristian.
so I'm gonna set this the first time. If it's activated, do I have a card create? Oh, that's a static class. And these are statics too. Like, okay, so I need to set. Let's set this in the first tutorial event. Loader, or maybe. Yes, I'm just going to set this here. Tutorials, obviously, so don't you say, don't card creator. I'm sure this is private, right? Internal. Private, it's private, I cannot even change it. Look, I'm gonna change this. Public static. Why do you want to ruin my life? Static void. Change. I'm gonna do a set. Items given to remove action max something. Items given to remove activation trigger max. There we go. So this is int value. No, I don't like this. Let me change it here. There. Equals value, please. Okay. There. Okay, so now card creator set. Let's set it to 1. So do I remove it? So the first given I give won't have. The first one will. And then this will it will be set to a random number. Okay, there. Let's see. now that I see this, I think it's hard to read. There. Cannot be activated. So what? There. So this is 1. This is 1. Oh, I should say 2, not 1. 2. Nice work. Nice work to me. There. Okay. There we go. Thanks. You can add effects and other things to a card with a fusion card. A fusion card. Drag and drop it on an empty card to add its features to it. Okay. Cards 3. Let's call this width instead of width. A card by using a fusion card to item card by using a fusion card. Man, I realized I didn't explain the type. Click the village to place it on the map. Okay. Type cooldown cards have a type, cooldown, and activation. Turn on any concept. There, okay, let's an activation trigger. Okay, what else? I fused it. So here are the effects. Combos. Should I explain combos? Yes, combos. Let's do combos. Combos 1. Combos 1 card is by using combos. Combos. Combos can activate you can activate cards by using combos. A card with a combo will trigger another card and apply a special effect to it. Trade now. Add a combo. Add a combo to an item now. Oops. You can activate card by using combos. Now. Okay, so let's add this. Two tutorials. Select it. Simplify address. Trigger is a trigger will a card with a combo will target another card and apply a special effect to it. Add a combo to an item now. Okay, so let's add a new one. Combos. Okay. So we have this here, cards 2. Let's do a combos. I think I can add this combos 1. Could add combo cards, so I can there add combo cards. That's enough. Add combo cards. Oops, not you. You. Add combo cards. There we go. Combos. So these combos will be activated when you map manager, when it gets fused So let's see, fuse, fusionable cards. So let's see, on, fusionable dropped, you do this, and let's do a combos. Return to experiment. Okay, so here I apply this. Item components container. Condition effect combo. Okay. So when it gets fused, I can add a fusion card. Oh, but does it really matter? Can I specify combo component? Yes, I need this. Or not? Yes. Yes, okay. Let's see, so effect combo. Get random item component combo. So one is a charge and the other is not. Player deck. Okay. You can specify what type of combo you want. An activation combo, effect charge combo, etc. So the way I did this with the effect card is this. Let's do this this way. There. Create effects this way. There. Effect name. Let's be specific. Oops. Effect name string. Effect name. Effect item component. Let's do a switch. In a case, activation case, effect charge combo. There, let's see, +3. New effect. the editing component. Or the player. So your combo item component. New combo component. Let's see. Let's check this out. Create combo data. So this is activate or charge. Combo effect. So I need to get a specific type. Get specific item effect. Get specific item component effect. Item combo. Be right back. Okay. Um, okay, so I should somehow search here. I think this is combo. Combo. Mm. Combo. Combo. Target list. Combo. Combo. There. So the combo effect actually. Combo effect. Oh, this is item component. Where data item component is D is no effect, right? Effect, no item component. Dot effect text effect, no. It's a combo. combo item component, combo effect. That's what I want. Combo charge combo effect. Item component. Item component combo item component. Let's do combo item component. Effect. As dot combo effect is T. There we go. Do this because I'm getting this from here, from the data copy. Okay. Let's do private. Combo component. Combo randomize. Combo component. Copy. Should I say randomize copy of combo component. So there I have this. Sorry. Let's just copy. Let's write this. Let's create this. Randomize copy of. Return new combo component. Get effect, get combo, there, and then I do this new component. There I should do this. Because here I just copy and I can randomize copy of combo component. And I think that no, I don't think actually. Effect. Okay, so this copies it and then it gets a random effect. Okay. So now I should do, what's this? Add combo card. Oh. Because this is this. Get specific component. Activation. Combo effect, and this is charge combo effect there, and in here I do a new combo component. Should I add? Let's do a combo equals what? Combo item component? What's your problem? Combo item component. Okay, let's do a default. Get specific. There we go. Okay, that should be enough. Let's do a string. String. Effect name. Activation. And charge. Chargeo. Activation. Charge. Okay. 340. Let me this. Yeah. Okay. There, let's see. Filter, blur, blur. Strength. Opacity. Okay, adjust HSP levels. Okay. Okay, save again. Save. Replace. Yes. Fus. What now? Deck. Add combo cards. Of course. What I want is a activate combo effect. And true here. Oh, what? Add combo card. Oh, right. Here is a activate, I think. Activate, was it? Activation. Let's do an activate. Activate. Add combo. Combos 1. What's this? Check this out. Okay, we're almost finished with this. Oh, I need to hear this. Let's see. So do we have the new one? No. Let's import this one. Thank you. Let's delete this. Sure. I think pixel art icon, pixel art texture. Let's do this. 256. What's your size? 340. Okay. Buildings 1. So you are this image. Let's make you big. Set native size. Non-raycasts. Okay, looks much better, I think. Rotate. Punch. Comes with an entity which cannot be activated. Plump. Okay. Combos. Look, it works. The first time it works. That's amazing. Okay, I really hate this. Or not. I'm not sure. Okay, add a combo to an item now. Okay. So fusion. Its effects to it. Activate target card. Gong. There we go. Combo. Effects. Target. What's the target? Combo target. Alright. Okay. Okay. So what else? Tooltips. We have the combos one. So what I could do is have another item. that's it. That's enough. Combos. So I could show you how to trigger the combo. Combos. Combos. You know what? Maybe I can make it so that I can explain the combo when the combo card appears. That would be better, I think. Yeah, maybe that's better. Combos. Or not, I can leave it like that. Step by step in order. Maybe I could be very specific and modify the card itself, the card that the tutorial gives, so I can be very specific. Step by step in our game goal, building, build a town, then build a building to spawn enemies. Okay, equip items to your hero. Take new cards. Fusion combos. Okay. Survive. Okay. I should say end. The end is like this. Keep using building cards to fill the boss bar and challenge the final boss to win the game. You will need to fill the boss bar and use and challenge the final boss to win the game. And defeat, I should say. And defeat. And summon the final boss to win the game. To summon the final boss to win the game. Fusion effects to an item. Okay, I think that's enough. That's clear enough, I guess. So when I add this activate, I could do it so that, check this out, if the tutorial manager script get is activated, I could do a like this. Effect target. So do we have a body? Effect target. Right, target. Car prefab. No. Effect condition. The target type. Combo effect type. What's the slot number? Combo item component. It's combo. Let's do a slot number 1. Okay, so then I can do like this. So in the second one I can do check the target of the combo and place the new item in the right slot to trigger the combo. Okay. So maybe I should do this one because I'm going to have, oh no, it was the tutorial, so instead of 2 it should be 3 because I'm going to give you a new cards. Let me see, where is this? Anyway, let's do this. So let's do combos 2. The combos 2. And here tutorial loader. Let's do it like this. Combos 2. Your false. And let's add event completed delegate. Or not. Yes. Wait a minute. So what happens if I close this before it gets activated? So here I'm going to add cards, and I'm going to add a potion. Combos 2. There, cards 2. So I'm going to tutorial deck. Where is the fusion now? So when I first fusion it, there, it's going to right like this or not. Um, hmm. So I complete this. Okay, yes, okay, okay. Add event delegate. Yes, why not? Combos 2. Cast combos 1 event. There. Okay. Yes, true. So you need to make your heroes away. Then okay, let's go little by little. Do I have this? Combos 2. Let's select this. No. Okay, select whatever. Simplify. Let's add it to the tutorials. Save. Combos 2. Combos 2. Okay. Cards of a type, a cooldown. Pick up the new item card. Okay, I activate. Oh, fusion cards. You can. Okay, plonk. Combos. You can activate card by using combos. There. Plump. Add a combo to an item now. Okay. That's what I did. Okay, so this didn't activate. Combos. Health. Activate. Activate. Add event completed. Delegate. Combos 1. Let's see. There, combos 1. combo to an item. Now. Okay, so I add the combo to the item. Oh, so that's the problem. Okay, so tutorial events. So what's the problem? Why am I getting so confused? So the first combo is that one. Then I have an effect card. Add combo, activate. Combos. Create tutorial window page. Okay, let's see. Tutorial. So I could make it so that tutorial there, so it will advance only when it gets fusions. So check this out. Combo 1, let's combo 1. I'm gonna hide this. Okay, equip cards. I equip it. I abuse it. I add a combo to it. There, works perfectly. Place the new item in the right slot to trigger the combo. Okay. Okay, so that works fine. What? Combo add charge. That's not good. Check the target of the combo and place the new item in the correct slot to trigger the combo. So this freaking didn't work in the end. So I set you as activate, case activate, activate combo effect. Search where data item component as combo item component, combo effect is T, this one, and data activate combo effect charge. Combo effect. Combo. Item component. Item card component. Combo effect is T, and that the positive is positive. Then target list. Let's see this. Create combo components. Okay, so here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Combo effect. Combo component, combo effect. And combo components data list. So combo components data list. Target list. Why do I do this? Data list. That's really weird. It should say find. And I should say this. combo data. Target data, then I should say this player item component as this one. Don't get a random component. Why random? I need you to be specific. So is this divided in positive? Yes. So this is positive. Okay. Okay, so it works to trigger the combo. So now map. Let's call it day. Days 1. Let's just copy this. Day, days, or days and time. As the day advances, as the days pass, oops, pass, the enemies get stronger. Enemies get stronger, so you need to make your hero survive and get stronger before they destroy you. And get stronger. To make your, so you need to make your hero stronger. To defeat them before they defeat you. Defeat them for as the day pass, as the days pass, enemies get stronger. So you need to make your hero stronger to defeat them before they destroy you. Hero stronger before they destroy you. Okay, days 1. Their tutorials. Let's make this simplify. Let's get this tutorials, combos, days. Let's get this days. What do I name it? What did I name it? Days 1. There is one. There. Okay, what else? All right. I think that's enough. That's like a silly explanation. Maybe I can mix this. Skip. Okay. This. Let's do final. Final one. Final one. Tutorials. Simplify. Final one. Keep building cards. Whoop. Keep using building cards to fill the boss bar to summon the final boss to win the game. Good luck. Keep using building cards to fill the boss bar to summon the final boss to win the game. Okay. So now I'm gonna give you like 3 new cards. Ruins and cave. There we go. There, plop, 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 plop. There. All for this, come on. Ruins and cave. Wasn't so complex. Ruins, cave. Ruins and cave. So let's see. This. This turn. So you need to defeat them to acquire new cards to make your hero stronger. Stronger to reach the final boss. To survive enough to challenge the final boss. That makes more sense. There, left, there, let's say 20, right 20. As the days pass, enemies get stronger. So you need to defeat them to acquire new cards to make your hero stronger, 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 not just stronger, to survive long enough, to challenge the final boss. Okay, and then the final, keep using building cards to fill the boss bar, to summon the final boss to win the game. Two. Okay, I think that's enough. So, what I'd like to do is to get the chronometer to see how long is the tutorial. So let's play, and when the game starts, I'm gonna start the chronometer. I don't want to explain the thing. The boss. Oops, sorry. There. To win the game, you have to defeat the boss. Summon the boss with the boss card. The boss card appears when you fill the boss bar. Fill it by using building cards. Move the camera with WASD, Q and E and right mouse button. Okay. Construct buildings. Click the village card to place it on the map. To build it, you need to find the map resources shown in the card and place them inside its area until it goes green. Then left click to build it. The resources needed. So it and there. Oh, a hero has appeared in the village. He will automatically travel from building to building and battle with enemies that spawn from them. Hero equipment. Battles are automatic, but you can prepare his behavior with cards. To do so, drag and drop items and abilities from your deck at the bottom to his inventory at the top. There. Cards have a type, cooldown, and activation trigger, and effects. To learn about any concept, mouse over each one of them to display tooltips. Okay, equipment, activation effects, and so on. Activable cards. Equip new item cards. Cards with an empty activation trigger cannot be activated. If the effects are empty, even it will have no effects. Oops. Okay, so there. You can add effects and other things to an item card by using a fusion card. Drag and drop it on top of an empty card to add its features to it. You can activate cards by using combos. A card with a combo will target another card and apply a special effect to it. Add a combo to an item now. Okay, one to the left. Check the target of the combo and place the new item in the correct slot to trigger the combo. Okay. Oh, I forgot to activate it. So when I place this, this will activate. Where is this? Okay, so days, was it? Days. there. So this doesn't have a thing. Add event completed. Days. So, oh, so 4 minutes, around 4 minutes. That's what it takes to finish the tutorial. Be right back. I want to make the image bigger. I wonder if that's enough. Better? From them. Oh, wait a second. Okay, fusion. There. To trigger the combo. Days and time. As the days pass, enemies get stronger. So you need to defeat them to acquire new cards to make your hero stronger to survive long enough to challenge the final boss. Good luck. Keep using building cards to fill the boss bar to summon the final boss to win the game. Okay. There we go. So I guess that's a problem. Okay, so that doesn't work. I need to make the card. Have let's see, one. I need the first one to activate the other one. And here I should say is the days, right? Daytime controller. There, daytime controller. Dot game object transform. Where are you assigned? Daytime manager. Okay. Let's make this 0. Okay. Okay, let's see which Windows needs to have its close button disabled. Let me put it there. Okay. The village, to place it on the map. Okay, here has appeared. Battles are automatic. Okay, hero equipment. Hero 2. Let's add this. No buttons. Hero 2. Okay. What else? What's this? Cards 2. Okay, cards 2. So I can get rid of this. Fusion. Okay, cards 3. Cards 3. Bloop. You can activate. Okay. Enter close combat. There. Check the target. Then I need combos 2. Okay. There.
Hijo, ¿estás lista tu empanadita?
Gracias, madre. Oh, look at this. Day. Days and time. As the days pass, enemies get stronger. So you need to defeat them to acquire new cards to make your hero stronger, to survive long enough to challenge the final boss. There, keep using building cards to fill the boss bar, to summon the final boss, to win the game. Perfect. Okay, so now let's work on this. Hero 2, Hero 2. Let's make the close button disabled. This is done. So now cards 2, cards 2, and we have a close button disabled. Done. Now we have cards 3, cards 3. We have the close button disabled. Save. Cards 3. Now combos 2. Combos 2. And we have the button disabled. Let's make you a little bit more like this. Okay. Done. Okay. Time to have something to eat. Okay, I really want to have a... Oh, this... I think I finished this. Almost. This animation, I already think about an animation for this. Okay, for time to eat. Anyway, thanks a lot for coming. I don't have too much left to work on next week. Add tooltips 3. Oh, I need to fix this, but that's not about the game. You know what I need to do? I need to create logo, create capsule for each IO, create page for each IO, 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 IO. So let's add this, everything there. There, finish tutorial. Add a simple fusion animation with fusion success. And that's it. And that's it. That's it, man, that's it. Needed tutorials. So then I can just work on this a little bit more. I think I finished actually, but I'm gonna add it like that. There's no room. What else? What else? I have basic sounds. Okay, that's it. That's it. So next week I'm gonna finish the tutorial. Basically just test a little bit more and polish it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna make finish tutorial. And should I make tutorial optional fusion success, create logo, create capsule for each IO. That's it. Now that's it. Okay, thanks for coming. See you next week.